you do if you get a flat tire when you are in a hurry or just enjoying a drive? Jack up and replace the flat with a spare? Wait until a service technician arrives? Our products will relieve such stress and give you a sense of security. Here is the Emergency Tire Sealant Kit. As the leading company in puncture repair, this product has been revolutionarily developed. Let us explain the fast and easy repair process. Unscrew the cap of the tire valve. Remove the valve core and loosen the screw by using the provided valve core driver. Shake the bottle of emergency tire sealant well, from left to right and up and down. Attach nozzle to the valve. Reverse the bottle and inject all of the sealant into the tire. After inflating air into the tire, screw the valve core into the tire valve completely. Attach the air compressor's hose to the valve and insert the cigarette lighter plug to the cigarette socket of the car. Start the car's engine and turn on the compressor's power switch. It will inflate air into the tire. Inflate to the specified air pressure by checking the air gauge. Repair is complete. Drive the car for a short time and check if the air pressure is maintained. Notice that this product is not able to repair in the following cases. The air compressor can be used in maintaining air pressure and inflating bicycle tires, balls, and rubber rafting. Free from troublesome jackups and tire changes. Women can easily repair flat tires too. Support comfortable driving, Maruni Industries.